Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change folder icons on macOS Big Sur. Open Safari browser. Type icons icons in browser search bar. Click Free Icons. Type folder in search bar. Select any folder icon. Click icons. Click Download icons. Right-click your folder, click Get Info. Simply drag the icon to your folder icon. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.